my backyard. It cleared out. I had a berm. I built a pond. The pond overflowed. See, my whole shop is completely gone. Well, not gone, but pretty flooded, to say the least. Backhoe got his downriggers down, and the water level's still above the tire. And I can put my foot under there. As you can see, it's off the ground. Very nice storm. Jeez. Everything we want back here. Ay, 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 ay. Attachment from a weed eater. I wonder if it's seized up. I'll know really shortly. It's just been anyways. So it's pretty fudged. Probably still use the blade. Well, shit happens. Damn. Flooding hydraulic oils. Gotta be careful because there's a big hole right there. When I was doing some work, you see the dirt pile. Trying to shoot under a foot now. I know there's another hole back here too, so I gotta be careful. So I don't go falling in that. I'm losing myself in it. What can you do? That puts you on real low here. Poor dragonfly. Let's see if I can get him out of the water. Did you get out, buddy? I'll help your friend. Let's see if I can get over there. Hello, Mr. Dragonfly. There you go. Fiddle faddle, fiddle faddle.